Bah perstuan tencong sembut mitang bah kajala meglia badai pe ya ketenat company boarding iltreng ulapan syah lo ki daw pynlip boarding daki kenta ha kajala ulong baki don ki unit naki project penmi board ki balathot bat kajingmormot iki kadang ya syakman.
Yes, see, we these few days back, we have crisis, and the crisis is beyond our control. I think I wanted to explain little more detail so that our customers, our people, do understand the challenges faced by the MECL as a whole. Very unfortunate, I'm telling you. Recently, one unit, one unit of this Leshka uh, power project broke down, and right now the repairing work is still on. And then again, one unit of Umthro again broke down, and very soon we are going to uh, restore it. Then another one unit each of Umthro stage 2 and stage 1. Again, the unit broke down, but I'm very sure maybe within a week's time, at least 2 or 3 units will be able to make it functional. So right now, the total that we have, the shortage of power generation, it's about 122 megawatt. 122 megawatt. It is not a joke where we have shortage, and that again, let me just tell you, even from NIPCO, they have some technical problem where they reduce the supply of power to the MECL. Again, that also added the extra burden to the MECL. We are in touch with the management of the NIPCO, so I'm sure, as I said to you, maybe within 1 week's time, we'll be able to restore and also to lift the load shedding that is happening now every day. And then next from that, we had a review meeting just day before yesterday. We have already instructed the MECL to make sure when you make any load shedding, it should not be more than 2 hours. Some stretches it may be 1 hour, then again maybe in the midnight or maybe towards early in the morning you can adjust it 1 hour or maximum 2 hours so that the normal functioning of each and every household does not affect much about the load shedding. So that this is what we are doing right now. See, we right now why we did not inform it well in advance. No notice is being issued because we have experience. There are places where they need the load shedding be shifted, maybe in the afternoon. Some of them they requested the MECL, why not you do it early in the morning? Some of them they said, why not you do us in the midnight? So therefore, accordingly, to avoid the difficulties faced by the customers, what we did was, as I said to you, we are trying to adjust to avoid the requirement, the basic requirement of the customers according to the area. As I said to you, I cannot say in detail about whether Riboy district they wanted maybe in the evening or they wanted load shedding in the morning, early in the morning, so like that. So accordingly, we get the feedback from each and every executive engineers of the MECL. Accordingly, we work out the load shedding as per the aspiration of the customers according to the area, according to the location. Kamu pergi sim ni feedback. Ladaka feedback jog beri ki oma wat pelip kadwe biji membet. To pelip no le se kad arsitek. Dan pelip no sibiji, dan pelip no arbiji. Te ia katangi le tang ba komo pi kadon gejing ro kan dia marba le se 90% ki om em ngi kwa kadwe biji pen pelip. Don pat le se 40% lai 40% ki ba om em pelip pat sibiji. Longkum kita ke gidon. Tenreng ngimla ban ong bani penhun lut na kle akjat. Tang ba majority kan mu ka bakia ngiyo ai ka feedback. Ya kata ngi persyam ban le. Kenang ba kanung don kanung kono bicing da kam ta ki family ki long yi ki long sem kam ta me apa ki don ka exam lene apa ki don ka online classes lene apa ki don ka nu ka ka jing ka preparation jo ki nang mata ka jing puli. Ya ka ba mensgi kam ta ngi persyang kat balak ban avoid kam tam hapo Shillong City. Namar bale yu gitip ba ki briu na do ong no na do nyau biji step. Na try clip ka like hi sitom ma hapo ka Shillong City. De na ka daong pi according to the requirement na kaliang jong ka misel ngin le ia ka ba ngi de ban le kenang ba kanum kta ia ki ba pli ki kena ba puli ki ba don ka exam ba kum ta ter